just saw it again. Get down Reno. Let's take a look at this Reno 10. John's pretty sure he sees a tornado.
It may be a tornado in there.
Okay, we have a funnel. There is a funnel.
Yes, I see it.
Okay.
Funnel and power flashes.
That's looking off to the west. Coming in Del Reno. West side of Del Reno.
Tornado.
Right now. Back to Storm Shield. And I'll tell you what, the winds are really, really cranking up. Damaging winds now. West Metro coming into El Reno. It's going to be a damaging wind event. And we might have had a weak tornado out here.
Funnel over I-40.
Off and on. We have a mesocyclone. We have an area of spin. We have an inflow notch. And we have a mesocyclone right here. This is the hook. All right, check that out, folks. And looks like a big Pac-Man mouth, right? Doesn't it? And it's eating everything out ahead of it. Hey, Alan, what'd you say? One more stairs going right there.
Okay, we had a funnel over I-40 with all these power flashes. Power flashes right there. Go ahead and roll.
Oh!
More power flashes. Point camera over here.
Yeah. Gusting up to 70 miles an hour here, David. Howard Hill, Mustang area, coming into southwest Oklahoma City.
More power flashes.
It's rocking the truck.
Alan's got more power flashes and 70-mile-per-hour winds.
Okay, damaging wind event. Damaging wind event. Front is so hard, right in front of it, right in front of it. We got front, the scan side, so turned right in front of it, right in the other lane. Look at my shot right there. Slow. See this? 75 mile an hour, 75
Wow, 70 to 80. 80 mile per hour in Mustang. Area. $70, $80 mile per hour winds, I-40, I-44. 80 mile per hour winds.
Can't see. Underpass.
Power flashes, 80 mile per hour winds, I-40, I-44. Roll on that. 70 test and repeat. Wow, look at the barrels. Got 80 mile per hour winds right now. I-40, I-44. We're at I-40, I-44 northbound. We've got 80 plus mile per hour winds. We've got debris going across the roadway. We've got barrels and trailers and what have you just laying out in the middle of the road here. We've had incredible winds. It looks like a lot of the 10th and Portland area is out of power. The lights on the street are out of power. It's a mess up here, David. It's a real mess. Back to you.